Meet the ZLM770 your quiet, reliable lawn companion. Thoughtfully engineered for smooth cuts and easy use. Just one touch, and you're mowing. No cords, no noise, just freedom. It glides across your lawn, even through tough grass. The wide cutting deck finishes the job faster. With precision, its brushless motor means less vibration and more power. 6 cutting heights. Foldable handle, easy to store. Powered by Liangye's 20V battery, long-lasting, quick to charge. Large catcher bin. Quiet performance. Built by Liangye for effortless lawn care.